and I'm doing great. So do you know what? I'm so excited because I will make the best thing ever in the world. So let me. Do you want to start? Because I love it. I can't wait to start. So let's get started with our karate chops. So we need a bowl of mango. This is one mango. You could use how much mango you want. But I took for right now, I took one mango. And so we will need one bowl of mango. And definitely one bowl of water. That means it should be equal. So we need 4 teaspoons of sugar. This one. And we need 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. So let's get started. So guys, and we need about 3 cups and 3 popsicle sticks like the teeny weeny. As you could see, cups, paper cups. So let's get started. Oh yes, I forgot. You need a glass. And I'm making 3 popsicles. So that's why I took foil paper and made 3 pieces of it because I'm making 3 of these. So we need a glass, and as you see, I got 3 pieces of these. So guys, we need foil paper to cover it. Or if we put it in the fridge without the foil paper, the ice will be the cups, and then you will eat ice and no taste of the mango ice cream, and then you won't love it. And you know, the wind is going on. That's why I'm taking a glass to put it on, for it can't roll these little papers. So let's get, like these get swim around the world. That's why I put the glass. Because the glass won't fit. It's so heavy. So let's get started. We will get, oh yes, we need the grinder. So we will get this part and open the lid, obviously, and take the bowl of mango and pour it in. So I will use the spoon to scoop it out. Oh, it's scooped in one spoon. And I'll put it. So now I will get the water that's equal. And we will pour the water. And now the lemon juice. I'll pour that. And now I will take this and I will pour. Wait, I need the video first. We want to put the whole, like how much of the whole entire thing. And look, the sticks. So I put this like that. I'll stick it around because I don't want to get dirty. Now we got this thingy majiggy. Now we will put the grinder, all of the ingredients in, and now I will close it, and I just, guys, get ready to blast your ears up for the grinder. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Because this is so loud. So guys, I got it off, and in the middle, you want to kind of off it, on it, and until it gets to smooth paste. Very, very smooth like the paste. And when you, in the last, maybe in 2 or 3 minutes, you want to open the lid and check it if it's smooth enough. If it's a little bit, take a pinch stick, like a teensy thick. You could just grind it for a few seconds and then off it and then get it out. It will be a smooth paste. Hey, stay there, naughty one. So, we will get... So guys, voila! I got it open in one chance. Now, I will get these aside. And I will take one of this, put it just like this. Let me see. Just a little bit more. Look how it's going. Okay, that's enough, I guess. So, no. Put this aside and get the beautiful glass. The next glass. And pour it. Whoop. Put it aside. Get the other one, the last cup. Pour it and I will pour it and I will pour it. Now I have a little bit more left. So I guess I want to adjust it a little bit in this one. Since I guess there's a little bit plus in here. Okay. Now you can see a little bit fat. So I want to set it like this. Put it aside and then to put the same size in here. Yes, now set it. So guys, I got it adjusted. Now we have to drum roll. Get our piece out. And now first piece we will get and put it straight on here. And then we will wrap it like this. Not like we're wrapping a gift with the wrapping. So guys, we will need a knife. But the problem is that we don't want you to do it by yourself because your hand could get cut. And that's why you need a parent with you to help you. But my parents are sitting right next to me. That's why I could do it by myself. So, first cup. No. Now the next cup. Right. Now the next cup. Now we will put the knife down and we will take the popsicle sticks. One popsicle stick first and we will insert it in. Now let me get the other two. Put it in. Okay, now we got it all three. Now it's the bad part that I hate. To put it in the freezer and wait till tomorrow for the ice cream to get freezed. And remember to wait for 5 or 6 hours. But I maybe tell you to open it and eat it the next day since I made these before and once I did it in 5 and 6 hours and it wasn't 5 hours. It was a proper popsicle, but it was melted and its tears were going down. So when I waited from the next day, it was perfect popsicle. A bit of water. So my mouth is full of water, but we have to put it in the freezer. So I'm putting it in the freezer. The popsicles are ready, and my mouth is in water.